Visayas, Michael Lloyd Dino, Secretary Eduardo del Rosario, the Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council, the National Housing Authority General Manager Marcelino Escalada, Mandaue City Mayor Gabriel Luis Quisumbing, and the other local officials, members of the House of Representatives, fellow workers in government, ako makigsunan. Dili una nako basahon ning akong duha raman po din noong ka-pages lang. So, ako na lang haron di pod maiubos ang buhat ani man kinsa dire dila. Ako lang basahon ang last paragraph. I hope that your local government will continue to join our people to support the administration's task, to provide a comfortable life for all, and to fight illegal drugs, criminality, and corruption. Surely, we cannot overcome such scourges alone, and we need everyone's help in ridding our nation of these ills that have long hampered our development and as a nation. With your solidarity and cooperation, I have no doubt that we can make our neighborhoods and communities truly safe and secure. Together, let us succeed in our collective aspiration to attain a better life, brighter future for our countrymen. Daghang salamat ug mabuhay kamong tanan. Kani si Mr. Escalada was with me when I started my mayorship in 1988. So, ana sa kadugay, ana pod akong pagsalig kaniya nga naay resulta ang kahago o labi na gyud ang kwarta nga mahampak ngadto sa mga proyekto. Of recent development, I'd like to introduce Ed De Rosario, who used to be a general of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and he was assigned in Davao as Task Force Davao Commander. It was during the time when a lot of bombings were happening in a city and its peripheral provinces. So dito siya when the action was there, and pagkuman atong sa Marawi, this is not to offend anybody in government, but gidrawingan ko nilag matrix, Marawi bangon operation unya nga administrative finance committee ana nya paghuman subcommittee niya paghuman na apayod na ang reaction plan. Naminaw ko, kani og gihatag nako ni sa bureaucracy. I said, no offense intended. Di gini mao mangyawa ni. Mawa pang kwarta. So, anyway, og di mawa kuwang. Just like I'd like to look into, I'd like my Congress to look into the 15 million mga health, I don't know how they would call it, nga 15 million antod karon, tiles lang gihapon. Such obscenity. Kanang binastos yun nga kawat ba? Kawatan man ko, pero di na ako na masikmura ng mga wat ko o babae nga bapa po dili. Mangilog ba? Mangilog. Di gyud ba yung munang akong gingon. So when the Marawi siege happened, I called for Del Rosario. He was working there as an undersecretary sa Defense Department na ko Yukol de Rosario. Pag-abot niya, itudlo na ako na look at the matrix there. Yan ako, ibutang ni mo na ogwan. Ang Pilipino di madala. And I'm really sad to say. That even prompted me during command conference. Inako, pati pala kayo stang military, and that was the medicines and the doctors sa AAP. I was so pissed off. Well, I did not insult the guy. Pero sabi ko ganito, if that is the way how we operate in this government, wala gyud hitabo. Nako ay hindi ko mahabol ang korupsyon. Kay kada transaction sa gobyerno, be it in the local governments, sa national, and even sa office of the president, naagi kabuang. Ug di ni mo na mabantayan at hindi mo mahabol. Di na ko maagpas ang paggukod sa korupsyon. Kaya hasta ganing mga ospital sa military, ang mga delivery sa ilang medisina nga para sa mga samdunon, ghost deliveries. Di na ko mahibaw ng putang inag nga nung ani mga utok ang matawana. I could understand if just it's a matter of conversion from gasoline, hibaong kwarta, or spare parts nga kuwang. But for the life of me, I cannot understand how an officer of the armed forces of the Philippines would have the goal to order medicines that are not delivered but are paid for. Ana og ana na ako sabi ko, kung ganito na lang, sabi ko, I am offering to step down. Not because I am afraid of you. Far from it, actually. Meron akong task. I am a government worker chosen by the people to administer the affairs of the country. Ngayon, kung ganito naman kayo lahat, pati dito sa landing, itong kung ano-ano na lang, of course, they are denying it, but the first draft, yung sa Nayong Pilipino, was really for 75 years. Of course, they are denying because it was not approved. It was not approved because I blew my top. Puta. You grant a franchise for 75 years. Ang akong pinakabagong apo, ang anak ni Inday, barely about a year old, bot nibong pasabot for 75 years. Magsige siyang sugal. 75 anyos. You must be crazy. 75 years siya magsugal aning kalibutan na. Pila ka presidenteng inutil mo agi aning atong nasod. Wala gyud. I'm telling you, dili ko basta-basta nga off the cup yung kalag mo resign ka. Naman na si De Rosario. Pero I was so pissed off that I was trying to fix Nayong Filipinos anomaly. And here comes a report that afternoon na anapoy. Sabi ko, kung ganito, this I can say to you. Many years from now, or a few years from now, or maybe a year after, if we cannot stop graft and corruption and cannot maintain law and order in this country, Philippines should never reach the level of economic progress enjoyed by Malaysia and Indonesia on the present level for tayo ito take us